Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at how to fix the sign-in option is disabled because of failed sign-in attempts or repeated shutdowns. To boot into safe mode with networking on Windows, start by clicking the power button while holding down the shift key on your keyboard. Click restart, keep holding shift until the recovery option screen appears. Once there, select troubleshoot, then advanced options, followed by startup settings, and finally click restart. When your PC reboots, press 5 or F5 to enable safe mode with networking. After Windows loads, you might either see Microsoft Edge or a black screen, but you'll be in safe mode. To return to normal, simply restart your computer again and you should be able to sign in without any issues. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.